Welcome back to Paradise Strength. My name is Stanley Chock, and today we're going to be teaching you how to do a suitcase carry. So basically what a suitcase carry is a single arm farmer's carry. It's a great way to add strength to the core, a great way to add body awareness. It's a great way to understand how your body moves and where to position your body when you're holding heavy weight. So let's get to the video. Today we're going to be using this 35-pound plate to do the carry. So the first thing, we're going to talk about the upper body and how it plays a part while we're doing the carry. So for when we're doing the suitcase carry, the weight in one arm, and what we don't want to see is our body tilted here as we're walking. If we're like this, we're not necessarily engaging where we need to engage properly, and we'll probably end up with some aches and pains. So what I want you to do is I want you to kind of fix your posture and get into this parallel position or perpendicular position with the floor. So your shoulder never should be dropped. If you see your shoulder dropped, and you can look in a mirror to see how it's all feeling, but you want to bring it back into place. In order to make this easier, what you can actually do is before you even pick up the weight in general, you can think about bringing your shoulders back and down. What this does is it puts your shoulders and your back in a good position, and as you go down and pick up the weight, you can pick it up and be already in position rather than picking up the weight, whatever, silly-nilly, and then trying to adjust and being there. That works too, but as the weight gets heavier, it's gonna be a lot harder. So for this exercise, we wanna make sure that we're not just walking through the exercise and kind of just like, all right, I gotta carry this and whatever. What you wanna do is you want to be really intentional about this exercise. So when you're doing this exercise, to get the most benefit out of this exercise, you want to be intentional with how you're walking and where your position is. So remember what I said, before you pick up the weight, you can go shoulders back and down, hinge over to pick up your weight, pick up the weight, stay in position, and take your time. The idea is to engage your core, engage your shoulders, engage everything as you're doing this exercise. This will give you the most benefit for this exercise. I would say that if you've never tried this before correctly, this would be a great thing to do. Remember, you don't want to just walk whatever. You want to have purpose when you're doing this exercise. So think about, remember, shoulders back and down, and take your time. Really engage your core. My core is engaged as I do this. If I'm doing whatever, I'm just carrying the weight, and it becomes more of a grip thing. But if you're engaging your core and you become more intentional on how you're walking, where your feet are being placed, where you're going, the direction you're going, it makes it a lot harder, especially at properly loaded points. So that's how you do the suitcase carry. If you guys like this video, like it, comment, subscribe. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you guys want to see another exercise that you haven't seen on this channel, please, please, please comment it down below, because I don't know what you guys want. And I want to give you guys what you want. And we got a whole bunch of space and a whole bunch of equipment that we can use to give you those videos. So let me know. Love you guys. See you guys later. Peace.